money. What is that fellow doing here?
Playing, sir.
Listen to me. Listen to me. Whose box is that? Whose box is that? You take the box and go outside. Come on. Let's keep it in your bag. Okay, listen to me first. So I told you already, the farmer's life is very difficult.
Yes, sir.
Because they work hard and they earn very less. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So the things we learned in our lesson, you have to discuss with your parents also. Okay. Then only they will understand. We are thinking about them. We are giving value to them. Okay. So every money, every coin they earn is the result of their sweat. Are you understanding? వాళ్ళు కష్టపడుతున్నారు, వాళ్ళు చెమట పడుతుంది ఎక్కడ పొలంలో, అది తీసుకొని చెట్టు పెరుగుతున్నారు, అది అమ్మేసి వాళ్ళు పైకి తీసుకొస్తున్నారు. సో యూ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ రైట్ టు ఆస్క్ అండ్ వేస్ట్ దట్ మనీ. ఓకే, దే ఆర్ వర్కింగ్ అండర్ హాట్ సన్ అండ్ గెటింగ్ స్వెట్. ఓకే, థింక్ దట్ బ్లడ్ ఇస్, దట్ స్వెట్ ఇస్ దేర్ బ్లడ్. ఓకే, yes, right. Now come to the point here. We learned about the Ravi and Ramu. So Ramu also said, who was the driver here, tractor driver? Who was he? Ramu was tractor driver. Actually he was a farmer, but he said, tractor is not his tractor. Vijay Kumar's tractor. Yes, but very good. You are remembering everything here. That's a happy informed. Okay. Ramu actually is a farmer boy. Okay, but his land is very less and he has no water also. We saw this also. What? He asked money from this Vijay Kumar and went for a borewell. Okay, he digged a borewell, but unfortunately the well was not giving enough water for him. So again he went to whom? He went to went to one fellow Vijay Kumar and he asked him to supply some water for his fields. But in return, he is given water. But in return, he had to work as a worker for that rich man. Vijay Kumar is a rich man, rich farmer. So for giving water, he has to repay in the form of his service. Are you understanding? It means what? He became a worker under the rich farmer Vijay Kumar. Okay. So but when we went to his house, we saw a tractor there. What we thought? We thought this is the tractor of Ramu. But actually, that was not his. Okay. Yes. Next we went to, we learned about contract farming. What is contract farming? Ashirvad is not that. Ashirvad is only an example I said. Okay, because the company, Ashirvad company, they don't have fields. They are not cultivating wheat. They are giving contracts to the farmers by giving money, loans and technology and machines for cultivating wheat. And the wheat collected from the farmers by this company, they will use what? They will produce Ashirvad wheat flour. Wheat flour is Telugu? Yes. So the company is producing that item by taking the raw material, I mean the wheat from the farmers. That is called the contract farm. Are you understanding that point? Did you understand the point?
Yes, sir.
That's so simple to understand. Now we learned about the small farmers, some laborers in Venkatapuram. This also we saw. Actually, the farmers in Venkatapuram, they are the owners of small pieces of land. Okay, which one? 1 acre or 2 acres of maximum 3 to 5 acres of land they have.
Sometimes they get money, sometimes they did not.
Yes, their crops may not give the yield which is enough. Hey girls, listen to me here. Okay, now the crops, I mean the yield is not enough for the farmers. Then what should they do? వాళ్ళు ఏం చేయాలి మళ్ళా? వాళ్ళు వేరే పనికి వెళ్ళాలి, బయట పనికి వెళ్ళాలి. బికాస్ మనీ వాళ్ళు చేసిన ఫార్మింగ్ నుంచి వాళ్ళకి సరిపోయినంత మంది రావాలి. So what should they do? They should become laborers also. What is the meaning of laborers? Coolies. They are going for other farmers' land to work there. So they are farmers and laborers as well. Okay, I told you already about the difference between a farmer and a laborer. Laborer what? Who is working to the other fields, other persons, other farmers' field to get evening their wages. సాయంత్రం వాళ్ళకి ఏమి ఇస్తారు? Money ఇస్తారు. Okay, now those people who are working in the fields of other rich farmers, they are called as no problem. You are understanding who are farmers. Just it became like this. You are thinking about laborers and you told farmers, right? No problem. Anyhow, you are understanding that. That's a good thing for me. Okay, what I am saying here is some farmers they have land. They are cultivating their crops. But the money they make from their agriculture is not enough. That is not enough. So they want more money. Why? For that they are going to the other person's field to work and to earn money. Are you understanding? So they are farmers also because they have their own land. But the money they make from the farming is not enough for them. That's why they are going to the other farmers field to work there from morning to evening. They are working very hard. That is called as the point here. Venkatapuram, small farmers, some laborers. They are farmers, but they are giving their labor to the other farmers also. Okay. Now we also pointed this here. Small farmers of Telangana. You know about more than 70% of the farmers in Telangana are small farmers like here, Ravi and Ramu. Because they are farmers, but they don't have enough money. They are not rich. They don't have tractors or all the other facilities to continue their farming in a proper way. Are you understanding my point? So what do is they are farming as well as they are giving their labor to the rich farmer. Because their money is not enough. Even I told we learned about his father. His father is a farmer. One stand up. Your father is a farmer, right? But is he a rich man? If he is rich, he will not do agriculture. Or not? He will start a business. Okay. And if he is very rich, he will not bother about, he will not worry about the money lost in that family. ఇప్పుడు అంతా కష్టపడ్డాడు ఎండలో పని చేసిండు నీళ్ళు కొట్టిండు అంతా చేసిన తర్వాత కూడా he lost the crops. అప్పుడు ఎంత బాధ అనిపించింది. నేను డిస్కస్ చేసిన లేదా ఇంకా మన పైసలు అన్ని దాచాలి చెప్పి డిస్కస్ చేసిన లేదా బాధపడ్డాను లేదా. So we can see this is not only his father's problem. Are you understanding? Many other farmers are there. They are also facing the very good now. No problem. Don't worry. Okay. You say to your father this also. What is that? Don't worry, daddy. Don't worry. Okay. With this one failure, we are not going to stop agriculture. We will continue it. We will make profit also. If we face loss this time, we will make double profit when we are continuing our agriculture next time. Okay. Every time we will not face failure. One day will come. One day will come and ఒక్క రోజు వస్తుంది. ఆ రోజు మీరు ఇంట్లో అందరం కూర్చొని పైసలు ఇట్లా కౌంట్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు. బికాస్ యూ విల్ మేక్ ప్రాఫిట్. ఓకే. గలగల పైసలు గలగల. ఓకే. సో యూ షుడ్ సే టు యువర్ ఫాదర్, డోంట్ వరీ డాడ్. Don't worry. What do you call your father? Daddy or Nana? Huh? Papa, very good. Okay. Very good. So, sometimes think about your parents who are farmers. Okay, when you are sitting in the classroom under these fans, you are feeling so cool here. Your father is under the hot sun, not under a fan or not in an AC room. Okay, you are drinking water here, but he may be getting fed under the sun, under the hot sun. So, don't forget that. Think sometimes about it. Okay, when you are feeling happy here, your happiness is the outcome, is the result of the hard work of your parents. Don't forget that. Okay? Yes? Because I am also a father, right? My daughter is in the room now because she is suffering from cold and headache from 3 days. Okay? So yes? Headache. Because I think it's cold, very cool now. After getting morning bath, she is facing this headache and cold. Okay, so she is sitting in the room. She is going sometimes often going and see what she is doing. So she is sitting with some toys. So when I go, I tell her to read because classes will be divided. A section, I mean Vyasa and Bhagni. So Dallas will be going to work in Vyasa. B section. So she is Bhagni will. Same only. But this time not like that. This time dividing between Pravas and Dallas like that. Yes?
No, sir.
Yes? No, my teachers is not like that. Yes? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Flowers one class. Dallas one.
Yes,
Yes, like that. So that's happening all the time. Are you understanding? I have why means they should try hard. So the students should try again. These extra students should try again and they should come to a section. Like that only. Okay, no problem, no problem. But I think if more students come to our class, our class will be divided. So don't give chance to send you to the B section. Try all of it for that. Okay. Now we come to okay, no problem. Now we come to this topic that is small farmers of Telangana. Small farmers of Telangana. I told you already four out of 5 farmers of Telangana are same like whom? They don't have enough water. They don't have enough money. They are not getting loans from the banks. I told you, if you are poor, if you go to some banks, they will not give you any loans. If you are rich, banks will call you. Go and take this loan. You take this money, they will say. But if you have no money, if a farmer has no money, they will not give loans also. Without loans, without money, the farmers cannot practice their agriculture properly. Are you understanding what I am saying? Now, conversation with a big farmer. We already talked with whom? Talked with a? No, not Ramu. He is not a rich farmer there. Vijay Kumar. Vijay Kumar is a rich farmer. What did he say, boy? What did he say? He lost money or he got more money? He got more money. No, he got more money. How? Because he got a good crop this time. Because he has water, he has tractor, he has harvester, he has many workers there. We saw so many ladies were working there. They were plucking the groundnuts, right? So he is very happy. Who is very happy? Vijay Kumar. Why? Because his harvest is very good. That harvest will give him a lot of money. After giving to the laborers, he will get some more profit this time. Are you understanding? There is a farmer, small farmer. He is very sad. He is very upset. Why? Because he did not get more money. But here is a rich farmer. He is feeling so happy. Why? This time he got more profit, more money from the agriculture. Okay. Having all facilities, having all technology and workers, he is getting more profit. But a poor farmer is facing problems. Okay. Now we learned about when are you going to sell it? We asked that question to him. When are you going to sell this groundnut? What did he say? Is he going to sell now? He said that.
No.
Why? Because now the rate is less. Boys, are you here?
Yes.
Now the rate is very less. When will he sell that? When the rate is going up, when the rate is increasing, that time he will sell the dry peanuts. Dry peanuts, not the groundnuts. He will not, yes, after making it dry, he will remove the seeds and he will not do that. For that, who are there? Workers are there. These workers are there. Yes, are we in this class? Okay, come and see. Come on. Laborers are there. So for everything, he has appointed workers. Are you understanding what I am saying? Because he has money, he can give the money to the workers. They will do that. Now our last topic is agriculture in Telangana. Let's go to that. One more point I should read now. See, listening to our talk, Vijay Kumar, 75-year-old father came out and joined us in the discussion. So, we were talking with whom? Vijay Kumar. We were asking question to whom? Vijay Kumar. That time, his father came there. Vijay Kumar's 75-year-old father came out. Are you understanding what I am saying? See, now the agriculture is different. Some 50 years back, agriculture is different. Why? No, agriculture was there, but the technology used was not there. Can you say anything about that?
So there is not tractor.
There was very good, excellent point. There was no tractor. What was not there?
And
Borewells were not there. Power, electricity was not there. Harvester was not there. And one more thing, very important thing. Pesticides, medicines, fertilizers were not used there. So the output was very less. Yes? Natural farming. Yes, and one more thing, what were used that who can say? Instead of tractor, what was used there? Wait. Yes. Yes, bullock cart. నిలబడి కదా లేకపోతే దున్నడానికి for plowing the field the tractor was not there. Okay, along with the bullocks, a human being also had to walk. You remember that? Not only animals. Yes. The wrong way. As the bullocks walk, one man should have to walk. Are you understanding what I am saying? So that time was very difficult for the farmers. Now everything is under technology. Yes. Technology. All the, now you know about harvester. Almost all the works, who will do your close it and listen to me. Now all the works the harvester will do. That time many workers have to work in the field. What for? For getting the harvest. Okay, sit down. Very good. You are understanding anything? Are you understanding? Any problem? Why are you laughing then?
Sir, yesterday is laughing.
No. Yes. With the sickle it is called sickle. Okay, now. Ladies were cutting it, harvesting it. Okay. And they were tied. Okay. And they were carried on their head. And they used to hit it in the olden days. Yes, really. You know that. But now everything is the harvesting machine. No. Okay, now come to the point. The old man is. Who is that old man? Your grandfather. Vijay Kumar. What is the age of Vijay Kumar's father? No, you are not understanding anything. You are understanding? So when you are sit down. Come on. You are exciting more. Don't be excited. Exciting means what? To say the answers. Don't be so. Okay, don't be so excited to say the answers. Now see that. He said, I don't think farming is something worth talking about these days. ఈ రోజులో ఈ కాలంలో farming గురించి ఎక్కువ మాట్లాడాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు because it is not so important. We used to use only small amounts of fertilizer and pesticides. See that the old man is saying. In our times, in those times, in the older days, we used small amount of fertilizers were used. Pesticides, yes, urea. Okay, now. Yes. Now more. You are making fun of the topic. Yes. But in those days, organic manures, natural manures are used. But now machines, okay, one thing, and we are using the chemical fertilizers. Okay. In those times, only less amount of. Take care of this class. Don't make disturbance. Yes. Now see that. Though the yield was very low, groundwater level was always stable. In those days, girls, borewells were not there, and the water we got, that was enough for cropping, that was enough for harvesting. But now everywhere what came? Borewells came, motors came, electric motors came, and the water is waste below. Are you understanding this? Okay, very good. Okay, ఇప్పుడు చూడండి. Though the yield was low, groundwater level was always stable. I did not remember any crop failure in my fields. Yes. Now what is happening? Like this boy's father life. What happened with him? He lost his crop. All the money was lost. All the money invested in the field was lost. But in the olden days, like this old man's time, there was no crop loss. If we start agriculture, there was no fear of losing the crop. Now we are listening. Suicides. Who are suiciding? Farmers are attempting suicide, committing suicide because of loss of crops, loss of money. They are losing their life. Okay, they have taken a huge amount of loans. After losing the crop, they have no way to live because the bank yes, they lost their money. That's why. Now see that boys listening or not? Yes. Okay, now see that I did not remember any crop failures in my fields. In my field there was no crops failed. Now we use heavy doses of fertilizers and pesticides and use our tractor to plow our fields. We also using our own harvester under pressure. Yet the fields don't increase. Many of our neighbors suffered from crop failure. So I know the old man is saying, I saw many farmers are facing the problem of crop failure. Finally they are committing, they are attempting suicide because they are not able to get any profit, any money from the agriculture. Are you understanding? So please bear with me. Please don't, if you do anything small disturbance, start to disturb. So please understand. Okay, I don't want to shout at you. I don't want to scold you. That's why I'm teaching you that. Please understand my condition and cooperation. You right? I don't know anything. Okay, now come to the point here. There is a question given. How Vijay Kumar able to wait for higher prices while small farmers have to sell it at low prices? See, the question is, how was Vijay Kumar able to wait for the price to increase, but the poor farmers are not able to wait for the price to increase. Why? Because poor farmers have no money. Okay, they are very urgent. They need money in urgent. So they can't wait for the price to increase. But Vijay Kumar already deposited a huge amount of money in the banks. He is getting huge profit. Are you understanding? So rich farmers can wait up to the price to increase. Okay. Right. Now next question. List the agriculture equipment owned by Vijay Kumar. What kind of farmers can have such an implement? See that Vijay Kumar, he has all the equipment, all the machines. What are they? Tractor is there. Harvester. Thresher. Bike is there. What? Bullock cart also? No. Okay. Now the next question. Boys, what is the next question there? Then correct. Anyhow, you are seeing that. I saw you are not seeing that. That's because next question is what kind of farmers can have such implements? First is rich farmers or poor farmers? Which farmers can have all the equipment? Poor or rich? Rich farmers only. Because poor farmers have no money. That's why they are going to other fields to work and get money. Okay. With that 200 or 300 rupees, they cannot purchase tractor or harvester. Am I right? Yes. So only rich farmers can have such a modern technology. Okay. Next question. List the all sorts of income of Vijay Kumar. Once think about Vijay Kumar. How he is getting money. How is he getting money? Yes, he is storing his crops. Until increase the money, then he is selling it. And one more thing, when the poor farmers are selling the yield, at the same time of harvesting, he is storing that. How? After drying it.
When his rate increase?
That time only he will take it out to sell them. Okay, so he is getting more profit, right? Yes. Now see that. Do you agree with Vijay Kumar's father's opinion that farming is not as good as it was in the past? Give a reason. So, his father said, what was the age of him? 25. Vijay Kumar is almost 30, you think. After somebody is thinking 25, 30. No way. Minimum 75. So that man is saying farming is not good as my time. Why? Because that time water was there, crop failure was not there, more fertilizers and pesticides were not used. But now what's happening?
Use it all.
All techniques we are using, but we are hearing the news. What news? Crop failure, money loss, suicides, all now only. Okay. Now, over the years, we are learning about agriculture in Telangana. Over the years, agriculture in Telangana has changed. What's the meaning of it? The agriculture of Telangana is not that as we saw in the past. In the olden days, agriculture was different. Now the modern agriculture is also different. Even though paddy continues to be the main crop, other crops like ragi, jowar and maize have declined and have been replaced by cash crops like sugarcane, groundnut, turmeric, chilies, etc. Now see that in the olden times, along with paddy, along with the rice, the farmers Grew. Jover. You know what is jover? Jonal. Jonal. Okay. Maize. What is the name of maize? Maka. Yes. But what it is here? Okay, very good. So you know that. But one more thing. In the olden days, farmers did not cultivate groundnut, turmeric, chilies and sugarcane. But now, famous for
Chilies,
chilies and
sugarcane.
sugarcane. Right, very good. How we got Maharashtra? Why? So you know Maharashtra. How? I also from Maharashtra. Very good, very good. Which place in Maharashtra? Okay. What I will ask you all? Are you also from Maharashtra? Oh, nice. Maharashtra. How you got there? How did you go there, in train or in bus?
More than 3 hours.
Okay. Okay. Then I will ask you, but now, boys, are you here? Come to the lesson now. Boys, array. When I say to stop, learn to stop. Okay. Now, see that all these crops need investment in the form of seeds, water, fertilizers, pesticides, etc. Now see that in the olden days, no need of fertilizers, no need of pesticides and the borewell. They were growing automatically because there were all other facilities like water. Climate was also not so hot. Boys, water seeing there. See, I have turned the camera on. We are doing all buffalo here. I don't know. Okay, now come to the point. Few decades ago, most of the farmers depend upon tanks and canals to irrigate their fields. Now see that. I mean, there were no these many number of borewells in the olden days. But now, tanks and what is the canals only. Okay, but now everybody have their own borewells. Everybody have their own switchboards. Why? To turn the motor on to take all the water from the underground and waste in the water. So water wastage is less more now than the olden days. Yes? In those days. But now. Yes. Cotton. Cotton needs less water, you know. Cotton crop needs less water. But if you think about paddy needs full water, total water. Completely, they need to start in water only. Very good. Sorry. Okay. Let's go. Anyone else? Red soil, then Maharashtra. But here we have black soil. Yes? Okay. Arrange. Okay. Keep it there. And this will be last points of this chapter. So be very careful here. Okay. Now, more than half of the land in Telangana depend upon borewells. Now see that almost every farmer they have their own borewells. So once you think, if all farmers have borewell, what is happening there? More water is taken out and wasted. That will increase the temperature of our area. Temperature is very That's because from the underground, from the deep depth of soil, all the water is taken out and last when boys, if you want to stay here, otherwise go. Plants are very important. Soil will become hot if there is no water. ಅದು evaporate అయిపోతుంది కదా evaporation కాదు మనం బయట వస్తుంది కదా yes అంటే లోపల ఉంటే సేఫ్ అన్నట్టు మనం బయటికి తీస్తే evaporate అయిపోతుంది evaporation will be more. Okay girls, last part of our lesson is this has resulted, your point is here, this has resulted the depletion of groundwater. See that underground water is depleted, I mean decreased. Okay, wasted because groundwater level has increased, depends on rainfall. Now there is only in the time of rainfall only the groundwater is there. Otherwise In summer season, all are turning the motors on, pumps on. So the groundwater which is safely protected under the soil is wasted out. Okay. Now see that all this made small farmers vulnerable